Hello, I'm Hayden Van Wienen of Fine & Country, North Buckinghamshire, and welcome to Dayscott Barn here in the village of North Crawley. Come and follow me and I'll show you around. So here we are in this absolutely fantastic reception room, dining room, sitting room and kitchen. Dayscott Barn is absolutely stunning, and you can see by this room on its own, this is a true indication as to what the rest of the property is all about. Thank you for watching this video tour of Dayscott Barn here in North Crawley with Poppy and I. If you have any questions, please do contact me personally, Hayden Van Wienen at Fine & Country here in Buckinghamshire. Come on Poppy, let's go. Come on.